Okay, hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And what we have here is a Sansui graphic equalizer. So many of us have forgotten the brand, and it was a long time ago that Sansui dominates the market by the audio uh, amplifier, audio. They made a audio component, uh, speakers, and amplifiers. So the company, I don't think the company is now open or existing. So this is a SG7 graphic equalizer, 12 volts, usable 10.8 to 16 volts or 15.6 sa negative ground, and it was made by Sansui Electric Company. Yeah, Sansui. Yeah. So I used this last maybe 20 years ago, and I don't know if it is still working. And I would like to use this again on my audio equipment, on my mixer and vocal processor. I like to enhance my audio. So the sound of this equalizer is very good. It was very active, and the highs are very nice sounding. So I use this in vocal mixer. This is the input and this is the output. So 20 years ago, I don't think maybe it was corroded inside. So let's take a look. Okay. Okay, let's open this and let's check the inside what's so let's first make sure that the board is okay before we power it. And so it was made by plastic. Oh yeah, it was made, the case is made of plastic material, and the yeah, okay, it was the potentiometers, the controllers are protected by this dust cover. So yeah, it was let's check the cable was so the solder was okay. It has the label on the board which said that it is the input and the output, and the input output, which is the left channel and the right channel. So let's take a look at under the board. So the rubber was so tight. Yeah, it was a module, not controller. Is it is module. It is precast. Yeah, the number is STK 6325 6325, and the back is STK 6324. So it has a label. Okay, so this is the supply line, and it has a protect diode and a resistor, dropping resistor, drop current dropping resistor. The potentiometer is so rusty, and it has a very dirty, very dusty. So I think the circuitry is inside, because it has a IC molded on the chip, and it has a resistor and capacitor inside. So this is a module board for the right channel, and is the module for the left channel. I think this one is the it takes care for the input and the output line level. So I think it has a preamp or mixer IC there, because it is coated with a blue epoxy paint, so you cannot alter or modify or even copy the contents of the circuitry of the mixer. So the only external component was a few capacitors and resistor and ceramic capacitor. So, and then the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 gram 7 controls for the equalization. So let's clean this first before we power up, and let's dry. Okay, so the front panel is very dirty, so you cannot even read the label because it's so dusty, because it was not used approximately mga 20 years or 30 years. So that's why the appearance of this equalizer is so not good. So let's clean this first, and let's dry it up. Okay, so now we've already cleaned the board. As you can see, the board was now very clean. Yeah. Clean and shiny, and the potentiometer was already clean by okay, already cleaned that, and let's dry it up. This is a dust cover for the potentiometer, so that the dust will not get through to the carbon resistor, carbon contact, so it will not get scratchy. Okay, put that in center, and let's check the power, if it is all So this is negative, and this is positive. Okay, yeah, it's powered. The LED lights up, and I think it is still working properly, and it's in a good condition. Okay. So nothing gets hit. Nothing is hitting. So the current is almost 50 milliampere, drawing 50 milliampere. Okay.